up, everybody? Had to check in, and while I absolutely love showing other builds, other people's rides, subscribers' rides, all that stuff, I wanted to do a quick, just like a compilation video of my favorite moments in my car, which actually hasn't been running all that long, but we did get it finished this year. Been a hell of a ride, and just had to like kind of go back and relive some of my most favorite moments from the car from 2018. Check it out. Hope you love it.
car of a legend in the Foxbody community, Caleb Richards, officially known as the Foxcast.
The correct answer was the tail lights, and it was looking for the pinstriping on its lights. Next question. Why was the
See, I can't get in trouble because that wasn't me.
Next question.
What do you think?
Oh my God. And because I can't afford it, here you go, sir. Thank you so much.
I love it, Mike. Killed it.
That is amazing.
You are the wheel man.
We got that on. We got the cooler press more hooked up. I had a lot of questions about it, about whether I'd sell the car, what I would sell the car for. It's not even worth bothering to say what I would
price. You sell this car, we're gonna have problems.
No, we've already talked about it. It's not getting sold. So there's your answer. It'll never be sold, so there's really no point in putting a price on something that will never be for sale. So there you go, guys. Those just a few of my favorite moments in the car already. I haven't even got it to the drag strip yet, so you know the fun is just beginning. But let me just say the the build of this car was a collaboration between me and Jeremy Dover. We wanted to bring you a how to do a coyote swap. Never thought that everything would blow up the way it did. But you know, we got together and said we want people to be able to do this for themselves. So you know, my camera and editing and YouTube and media, his mechanic skills, his technical skills, his shop, all that, we put everything together to do this, and I hope you loved it. You know, aside from you know, just me and Dovers, Ken and Alex helped work on the car quite a bit. You know, we're all a team out here, and then of course I could not do this without the few brands that helped me out: National Parts Depot, Maximum Motorsports, Hanlon Motorsports, Stiflers,
Power by the Hour, Jack's Wax Car Care Products, Riccardi Racing. I mean, there's just the fantastic brands that I work with that help make all this possible. You know, we're just going to keep doing work. No one, I promise, is ever going to outwork us here out at Foxcast Media. So hope you loved it. There is a best of 2018 video coming out next. You will not want to miss that. It's all the stuff we did for the entire year. But you'll see that later. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And 2019 is going to be a ride. And I'll see you there.